What up, guys? Hope everyone's having a great day. Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be installing the Baja LP6 on my 22 Lowrider ST. So I purchased this from Prior Performance, and this is everything that comes with it. You get the bracket, the wiring, everything already set up, which is really convenient. And I went with the clear headlight. So that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so we went ahead and removed the tank. So there's 3 connection points that you have to remove. The first one is over here. So you literally just pull up on the tab and it comes out. This is the second one, which is a rubber hose. You just pull it out. And the third one, there's a middle piece. You just push up and this comes out. Make sure to have a blanket because some gas will spill. Alright, so we got to remove the fuse as well too. You just pull out the cover. And just take it out. So I didn't use a fish wire to run it through from the inside. What I ended up doing was I got these zip ties, the really long ones. I believe it was like $3 from Harbor Freight. So what I did is I took 2 of them and I snipped the ends and I taped it together with some electrician's tape, so it became twice the length. And I tried to start fishing it from here, but it did not work. It was really tough. So what I did is I started fishing it from this side. I ran it through, I put my finger in here and I felt it and I pulled it out, and it was way easier. It took literally 1 minute. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up the wires and I'm literally gonna just pull it through on this side. Alright, so I pretty much use a flathead screwdriver to pull this out. Pull both sides out, so these are loose. Gonna go ahead and take out all the bolts. Okay, let's get this one. Alright, and we are going to be reusing these, so let's get the bolts out. It's 1, 2, it's 3, and 4. All right. Alright, she should come up pretty easy. There's 2 hooks here. We gotta just lift it. Let's get these out of the way. That's it. Alright, let's go ahead and put the new wiring in and put on the new bracket. Alright guys, so I ran the wiring through. As you can see, I pulled a fuse through as well. So I'm gonna tape this to my zip tie and then pull it through. This is the wiring. Let's go ahead and put the bracket on. Alright, let's go ahead and put a little bit of Loctite on all of them. Put the bracket on. There we go. It's supposed to set in. Oh, there we go. It's nice and set in. Perfect. Got these out. All right. All right. Let's put this up here. loosely put this in. Let's get the bottom two. Okay. Let's get the outer bolts in loosely. So we loosely tightened everything, so let's go ahead and lock everything down. Okay. Let's put this down with the get the wire out of the way. Just double check these. It's good. It's good. It's good as well. Okay, that one's good. Alright, let's do the T27s. Alright, and the bracket's in. Oh, we gotta put these inside. Let's get the clips in here. Okay, perfect. Everything's good. Alright, now let's put the LP6 headlight. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and plug this in. Perfect. Gotta zip tie this later. Let's get the Deutsch connector. Nice perfect click. right, looking good. Let's get the first screw in. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put the screws in and adjusted it. Let's take this off. Beautiful. On both sides. Almost there. By the way guys, if you are gonna do this, try to have a friend help you out. It makes things so much easier. This is my friend Todd, by the way. He's been helping me out. It's been really helpful. So let me show you guys where we fished everything. So we went ahead and let me zoom in. We pretty much put tape on the entire connection. I'll move it. So now we're gonna literally pull it through now. All right guys, so piece of advice: in order to reach the red cable, you need to remove this plastic piece. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's covered by it. So you need to remove the plastic piece, and then you can reach the red one and also the black one. Alright guys, so we just put in the positive and negative connection. Let's see if it runs. Woo-hoo-hoo!
It's on?
Yeah, check double flash. High beam, I mean. Hit it a couple times. Nice, perfect.
Back up a little, let's check it out. High beam, from far distance.
That's high beam?
Looking good?
Yeah, perfect. Nice, alright, cool. Turn it off.
Good.
All right. Almost there, almost there. Alright guys, we're sanding it right now, giving it the finishing touches so we can put it back on. I wanted to show you guys my buddy Matt's gunship gray Lowrider ST. He has the Baja Designs LP6 light with the Cali Rays moto bracket. As you can see, it's beautifully color matched to his bike in gunship gray. I wanted to show you guys the difference with the LP6 light sticking out and recessed in like mine. they're both beautiful either way. It's just really what your preference is. With that being said, here's my bike. Alright guys, let's see how bright it is. Wow. Lights up the whole block. And this is high beam.